Walmart Dropshipping Policy. Review Walmart's dropshipping policy to understand the requirements and limitations. Walmart has specific rules to ensure a positive customer experience. Apply for approval. Apply to become a Walmart Marketplace seller. Not all sellers are automatically approved for dropshipping, and approval is subject to Walmart's review. Choose reliable suppliers. Select reputable suppliers for your dropshipping business. Walmart emphasizes the importance of working with reliable and high-quality suppliers. Integrate with Walmart. Integrate your dropshipping system with Walmart's API to manage inventory, order processing, and other essential functions. Product listings. Create and optimize product listings on Walmart with accurate and detailed information. High-quality images and clear product descriptions are crucial. Competitive pricing. Set competitive prices that take into account product costs, shipping fees, and potential fees charged by Walmart. Order fulfillment. Ensure timely order fulfillment and accurate shipping. Walmart prioritizes a positive customer experience, and delays or errors can impact your seller rating. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service. Be responsive to customer inquiries and address any issues promptly. Maintain compliance. Adhere to Walmart's policies, including their dropshipping guidelines, to avoid penalties or account suspension. Optimize for search. Use relevant keywords in your product listings to improve search visibility. Understand and leverage Walmart's search algorithm. Monitor performance metrics. Regularly review your performance metrics on the Walmart Seller Dashboard. This includes metrics related to order defect rate, late shipment rate, and customer feedback.